3 quick and easy ways to create content. 3 quick and easy ways to create content. Quick and easy. And I promise they're quick and easy. They're not like, just a good headline and then nothing to show up after that. I'm going to deliver you some bombs. So make sure that you stay in there and you stay until the end of the list. There are 3 quick things that I want to share with you, plus a little bonus because I always like to give you some bonuses to you guys. So make sure you stay until the end. Now, number 1, memes. I love memes. I really love memes because, hey, they are funny and they are relatable if you use them correctly. So I posted a little example. You're going to see that one on my Instagram really soon. And actually, I'm going to share with you a step-by-step process on how to create memes in seconds, and plus memes that are working at the moment. So make sure you stay until the end of the show if you want to see that. Now, why memes? Memes are basically like funny or relatable images that are popular and that you can add text on it, and that you will try to make it funny or relatable. That's one of the 2 angles I try to attack it. For example, in that say, like for the guys on Clubhouse, maybe you cannot see it, but I've got that image of DiCaprio with the, the champagne glass, like, how do you say that? Greeting somebody, and I put it, me when business owners launch their first sales funnels, and I created that piece of content to make it kind of funny, talking about that subject, and relatable as well. Like people that are going to launch their sales funnel will be like, oh yeah, like I feel great, you know what I mean? So that's what I mean by having content that's relatable and that is entertaining for your dream audience. But somebody that doesn't know anything about online marketing or what a sales funnel is will be like, hey, that's not for me. I don't like to see that guy often because he's not posting for me. And that's exactly what I'm doing. Remember, post for your lovers, not your haters. Now, second easy way to create content: quotes, images. Quote images have been always a go-to. If you go back to the first day of Instagram and pretty much all social medias, they're extremely easy to do. Now, here for an example, I've got the Bruce Lee one. Hey, Bruce Lee once said, one of the best lessons you can learn in life is to master how to remain calm. Being calm is powerful. Like quotes like that, little images with like a simple text over it, they work like wonders. So maybe you can try to do that. You can try to do that with different angles. Maybe something that's inspirational. Maybe you can share something that's like a did you know? So if you want to share some information, that's can be a great angle. If you're not into inspiring people, maybe more sharing information. Hey, did you know that this thing? Did you know that you can? Things like that. That works as well a lot. Next one is or are text posts. Now you can go over, and a quick and easy way to do that is basically, as shared with you a little example of that. That's all content, by the way, I'm going to be posting in the near future, so stay tuned on that. I like to do that, and maybe you guys see that a lot. It's like a Twitter post, but as images. And you can basically make a post on Twitter. That's what I used to do in the day. Now I'm doing a different method, but that's still efficient. You can basically post something on Twitter. You make a post. So, okay, you make your Twitter, you make your little post. And after that, what you do, you screenshot it, you make it a great format for Instagram or whatever platform you want to put it on, and you post it as an image. And then you just made a piece of content quick and easy. And that helps you promote your other social media as well. So that's a great, and maybe one of the simplest ways to do content. And oftentimes what you can do as well is use if you are talking still about Instagram, use the create feature. I see a lot of people simply doing that, putting a black background and making white text and posting that. That works really well as well because that's simple and efficient. But you have to make it simple and go straight to the point. Always going back to the principle, making it simple and not overthinking it. And I'm going to share with you the last one, the bonus one, as I talked to you guys about. Bonus, reposting content. Now that's a hack. If I'm talking about the hack, that's hacking the system. What I mean by reposting content. You know when I said in the show, looking at what really works and reusing it for yourself? Well, it's totally fine on social media to basically take somebody else's piece of content. You can give them a credit. That's better. Of course, sometimes you won't be able to tell who posted it, But oftentimes you're going to see, you know, those popular videos that you see over and over again, but they are different accounts. That's basically what those pages do. And they just like take a piece of content that's working and they're reposting it. And because it's proven to work, they're getting a ton of engagement. And that's been the growth strategy for a lot of people. Basically, all the pages that you see on Instagram that do not have a face, they use that strategy. And I think Prince EA and Jay Shetty, now they are doing their own content because they've went to a big enough audience to do that. But they still, and that's what they did coming up, was basically reposting 2/3 of their content were other people's content, and 1/3 was theirs. So they can build their brand while growing massively and really fast their follower base. So that's something that you should do. Use content that's already working, maybe repurpose it a bit, just a tiny bit, but you can definitely use other people's content. That's not a problem at all. Now, if you guys like today's show, if you guys like what I'm sharing with you, I'm going to share actually something that's incredible right now. I'm going to share with you a step-by-step process, simple on how to get tens of great posts in as little as 10 minutes. So if you want to see that, make sure, and if you want to keep seeing things like that, processes that are simple and easy to get your marketing to the next level, make sure that you subscribe to the show on YouTube channel, Gabriel Juliet. And if you are on the Clubhouse, hey, if you're on the Clubhouse, guys, make sure you ping somebody into the room. And if you want to ask some questions, if you're on YouTube and you have a question, somebody that's, you know, you're wondering something, having a question about a specific topic, maybe a specific situation about you, definitely go in the Clubhouse room, Marketing Commandos, and go ask your questions. Go ask your questions because, hey, I would be answering them live, no problem. You can ask me, put me on the spot. I will try to do my best to answer your questions. Now, let me show you what I got for you with my step-by-step process on how to create massive amount of content plus 10 posts in less than 10 minutes. And that's not a big claim. Of course, that's a big claim, but what I mean by that is I'm going to sustain and make sure I deliver on that big claim. Step number 1, go to that link. If you want to go to the website, it's called imageflip.com. Going to that website, I'm going to share with you guys how to create memes extremely fast. Extremely fast. Well, you know what? Let's go over, let's do something a bit different. I'm going to do that step by step with you guys right now. So I'm going to go into the image flip. Okay, I'm going to share with you my screen. Basically, you end up on that page. Okay, you're going to imageflip.com/meme templates. Second step that you do is that you pick a template. So, okay, here what's cool is that they are basically ranging all the memes. So all those are memes that are basically working at the moment, and you know, you can sort by the top of all time, top 30 days, and you can see memes that have already been working. I think you have been seeing that one a lot, but all of those are memes that have been working for a long time. And if you want to go into do like other kind of stuff, other kind of memes, hey, no problem. But the thing is, we have memes that are already working in here. And what's really cool is that it's totally free, by the way. You go and you click add caption. And basically what you're going to do is you're going to fill it up. So what does that mean is that you can caption this meme and then you can add your text like here and here. You see, that's very simple. And then bam, you generate a meme and you download it. As simple as that. But if you want to download it, I did it the wrong way. But go to the image page. Which one is this? I don't remember how to do it. Yes, you do and you click private. Must download an image save. Okay. You generate the link and then you basically download the image and done. It's downloaded. Step number 4. You see how easy it is? So you go to imageflip.com/meme templates. You pick a template. You can actually have templates that are already working. Great. Next, you fill it up. Fill it up with your own stuff, make it relatable and entertaining for the people that are watching your content, and then you download it. And you can do that like really fast. Like honestly, in 10 minutes, you can have actually 10 minutes I can do like more than 10 memes. That's what I talked to you guys about. That's how you can make more than 10 pieces of content in less than 10 minutes.